today I'm showing you how to ride the scooter today. But look how I go fast. You see?
Talk about the safety first.
Yeah, helmet. All the safeties here to make me don't.
How about your knees? You have safety on your knees?
Yeah,
Show me. Can you show us?
of course, right here.
Do like this. Let me see. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Go ahead, show us. How you brake? How you brake your scooter? Can you show us where's the brake?
It's right here on your.
Where? No, you gotta stop. You gotta stop and show us. Where's the brake?
It's right here.
Where?
Right here.
Where? Show me.
It's right here.
Is it the brake?
Yeah.
Okay, you push this one and it's gonna stop?
Yeah.
Okay.
Baby.
Okay.
Baby.
Go ahead, show us.
Steady, go. Bye.
That's it for today.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye. Thank watching for my YouTube channel. Then have a nice day. Thank you for watching for my